Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some Firecracker lights, and I'll show you guys what they are here in a second here. Comes with a pack of 4 of them. Let me grab one little bundle here. And it looks like it's gonna be, oh, it's twisted up here. It's gonna take 3 of the AA batteries. And let's see, how do I have this in here? I'm not sure how it's twisted up, but I will have to open it up here. Let's see, how am I going to do this? This one here. Okay, let me open this up here like this. Okay, there we go. Now we have our chain of lights, and let me go ahead and put some batteries in there. Oh, this side here is a little bit twisted up. Okay, what am I doing here? Okay, well, let me put the batteries in, and I'll mess with that in a second. Okay, so it takes 3 AA batteries, and I have 3 AA batteries. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's whatever, 4.5 volts. Okay, so there, we've got it in there, and we have the button here. It can go into timer mode or just on mode, I guess. So this is it here. So here we can see we are, let me finish opening it up here. Do I have it all? I'm doing this looking into the light. It's probably a bad idea, but okay, but I will get it untangled. Okay, there, it's all untangled. So you can see the way the Firecracker lights are is it's like a strand, and then it has, you know, shoots off on the different sides. And you can see here, these ones, it looks like these ones here, the yellow ones stay on, and the white ones kind of flash. Right, is what it is. I'm colorblind, so maybe I'm wrong with the colors, but it looks like we're talking about, I'm about almost 6 feet, so we've probably got 12 feet worth of Firecracker lights. So this is great, and it works off of just the battery, so that's kind of cool too. And it has a timer, so if I put it on the timer mode, which is mode in the middle, it'll shut itself off after a little while, so then it just won't use up the battery. So if I turned it on at night, I could just put it on timer mode, and then it'll turn itself off when it's you know, after a certain period of time. I'm not even sure how long the time is. It's a good question. Let's look and see here at the instructions. Put that on there. Okay, we have a warranty card, and then we have this here. The timer, slide to timer for 8 hours lighting, and 16H off automatically. So I guess that's what it is there. So there's your instructions for it. Very little necessary instructions because it's pretty straightforward. It says don't put it near fireplace or gas heaters. Don't use staples and nails, blah, 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 blah. So yeah, so this is cool. So it's a cool little setup here. So it's nice and bright. I mean, I have studio lights on, so you can't see quite as good as you would otherwise, but you get the idea. These are great little Firecracker lights. So I'm gonna go put these around the house, and we will have a very festive time. Very cool, thumbs up for sure.